Let's talk about AWS IAM Authenticator. It makes life easier by letting you use AWS IAM credentials directly. No need for extra tokens. It's a great tool for EKS and Kubernetes clusters, boosting security while keeping user management simple. Basically, if you love efficiency and hate complexity, this is your new best friend. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Why do we need AWS IAM Authenticator? Well, imagine juggling passwords, tokens, and credentials. Exhausting, right? This tool removes all that hassle, making authentication seamless with IAM policies. Security gets a boost, and user management becomes easier. It's like having a bodyguard who also organizes your meetings. Before we dive into installation, let's cover the prerequisites. You'll need an AWS account with the right IAM permissions, because security matters. Kubectl should be installed, and you need access to the Kubernetes cluster. A little AWS CLI knowledge helps, but don't worry, we won't need a PhD in cloud computing. If you're on macOS, Homebrew is your best friend for installing AWS IAM Authenticator. Just run brew install IAM Authenticator and verify with IAM Authenticator help. That's it. Almost too easy, right? Like ordering coffee, except instead of caffeine, you get secure authentication. Alright, let's get our hands dirty configuring Kubectl with AWS IAM Authenticator. First, we install and configure the tool. Nothing too tricky there. Then, updating the kubectl file ensures it knows how to use IAM credentials. Of course, without the right roles and permissions, things fall apart quickly. Finally, testing, because who wants surprises in production? Let's keep our headaches minimal. Testing authentication is like making sure the car starts before a road trip. You don't want surprises halfway through. We'll grab our authentication token using AWS XGET token, then check connectivity with a simple kubectl get nodes. If things go south, check those IAM roles. And if something still isn't working, well, time to dig into the logs and make AWS CLI our best friend. Installation issues, the bane of every engineer's existence. If your IAM authenticator is missing or outdated, well, it's time for an update. Kubeconfig settings can be sneaky, so double-check them. IAM roles. If they are misconfigured, you won't get far. And if the network decides to play the villain, expect a few headaches. But don't worry, every problem has a fix. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.